Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Jawad, and now I am going to represent the topic of data mining. First of all, I will tell you what is data mining. Data mining is a process which is used to extract used cable data from larger set of any raw data. Means के एक डाटा से हम लार्जर सेट को दूसरे रॉ डाटा में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए यूज करते हैं केबल. It analyzes data pattern in large batch of data. Data mining is also known as KDD. KDD stands for Knowledge Data Discovery. It, this is the figure of data mining. Next is the process of data mining. It is a computational process of discovering pattern in large data set. The overall goal data mining process is to extract information from data set. Third one is transform it into understandable structure for further use. Fourth one is data mining is the analysis step of knowledge discovery in database processor or the KDD. The aim is the extraction of patterns and knowledge from larger amount of data. Successful data mining task is automatic or semi-analysis of large quantities of data to extract previously unknown patterns such a group of data records. Now, seventh is these patterns can be seen as a kind of summation of input data. Last breaking down dredging, data, data finishing, and data snooping are samples of data mining.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Said Qasim Hassan Raza Kazmi, and so as you know that Mohammad Jawad has also represented the previous slides, and now I'm going to tell why data mining is so important. So the data mining will be beneficial a lot of multiple range of level in the organization as the model that is applied to reduce time and cost. Then we can say that it is very beneficial in and it also helps that it can save our uh, and reduce our time so we can reduce our time then the result allow the responsible knowledge to worker to transform into strategic value and information effectively by critically analyze the result. Data mining application, yeah, as we can say that the applications of data mining, as I told you, I can tell you the application of data mining. Data mining is widely used, especially to those organizations that focuses on consumer orientations. Data mining is most commonly used in those fields that we have to find a lot of work, and then we have to minimize or to complete our work in a short form. For example, retail, financial, communication, and marketing organizations. For following question are here, which will define are they data mining or not. I mean, as you know that if we have an important work, we have to find a huge work. Sorry, look up phone number in phone directory. I mean, if we have a phone, if we are searching for a phone number, that only one phone number, one contact number instead of 300 contact numbers. That it is also called a data mining. So it is a data mining. Yes, it's data mining. Query a web search for information about something. Yes, it's also data mining because in all the many in the river of the information, if we search for only one thing, a specific thing, that is it's also an example of data mining. Certain names are more prevalent in certain places like Karachi, Pakistan. If we can see that Karachi, Pakistan is only the one place in the country or in the earth. But as we can see that they have a Karachi as a CVU and many other things like CVU and or so many things. So it's also settled in the Karachi, and we can found in Karachi, Pakistan. So it's also a common thinking. And the other thing is history of data mining. Data mining was basically introduced in 1990s, but data mining carries a long history in earlier methods of identifying patterns in data, including Bayes' theorems in 1800s and regression analysis in 1800s. The increasing power of computer technology has increased data collection, storage, and manipulations. As data size and complexity has increased with indirect automatic data processing, this has been added by other discoveries in computer science. Following terms are neutral networks, clustering generating algorithms in 1950s, like that time is increasing, so the technology in the data mining is also increasing. Look, you can see that decision trees in 1960s, sport vectors mechanics in 1990s, classical statistics, artificial intelligence and machine learning are family lines of data mining. Impact of data mining in our society or in the world. Data mining makes it easier to search for a set of rules within a large amount of data in order to find some predictions about future. It also helps extract and use variable data from a large amount of data, as you can as we can told you in the previous slides. So the market worth of data mining, that people work for data mining and they earn from a monthly, that earn monthly. In Pakistan, like average market worth salary of data mining in Pakistan is 6,30,000 to 6,50,000 monthly. So freelancing and data mining. How can we do freelancing and data mining? Which I have 2 points, so I'm going to explain. Freelancing term commonly used for a person who is self-employed and not necessarily committed to particular employer in long term. Data mining freelancers give services like extracting useful information from websites and converting them into structured data for analysis.